We arrived at Sydney yesterday in the evening. We had a cancelled flight, so we got a bit delayed. And now we're kind of exploring Sydney here. We're at some kind of mini marketplace. And it's pretty cool here. There are so many market shops with different stuff you're probably never gonna use, but it's still kind of funny to explore it here a little bit.
Speaking.
Behind me is the harbor bridge, and right in front of me is the opera house. We're just still walking around a little bit and exploring the city on our own after like a China market. So it's pretty cool here, but it's pretty full of tourists, so yeah. We're still in windy Sydney. Today we are going to the National Marine Museum, see some old warships, some U-boats, and definitely looking forward to exploring them. So yeah, here's like the first one.
Something about you feels so different. Yeah, you mess me up inside. It's like your energy was kissing my soul back to life, was living. Now it feels like every part of me is dying. Yeah, you're gone without a trace. You left me where no one can find me. There's no sign of life out here. I scream and it goes silent. I fight so hard, but I can't find my way out. Lost all dimension and time. All I think I'm losing my mind. And this goes down. And this goes down. Every message that I send you, you just leave them all unread. Now every part of me is hurting, cross my heart, I don't deserve this. Loved you just for you to haunt me in the end. Yeah, you're gone without a trace. You left me where no one can find me. There's no sign of life out here. I scream and it goes silent. I fight so hard, but I can't find my way out. Lost all dimension and time. I don't think I'm losing my mind. And this goes down.
I don't know if you can tell, but sometimes it's a little bit windy out here. It's pretty fun. Like clothes are getting pulled back. Yeah. Just wanted to share that. Yeah, we're at Sydney Airport right now. We are going to our next destination in a few hours. We're like checking in here, but yeah, let us guess in the comments what our next destination may be. And yeah, the next video you probably get to know what it is. So thanks, and leave a comment with your guess.